Hey, stop there. Don't screw. So if you want to know how I make this delicious meat pie, this yumicious, this scrumptious, okay, keep watching this video. It's just 12 minutes video. It's not gonna take too much of your time. Please put your Bluetooth on, like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me for more recipe, okay? You all know I love you so much, okay? So let's get into the video. Here we have all the things. We have carrots, potatoes, this is onions, this is pepper. We're going to start going. So let's get into the video immediately. So put on your pan on the stove, pour in your spices. I put on thyme, curry powder, bouillon seasoning, salt, everything. So see that cat helping me out, guys. I love animals. I have them at home. They help me out. Go in with your onions, stir it very well. Then see that puppy. See that puppy helping me out. Okay, your puppy. Okay, you. So go in with your grounded beef. So I put on, see, my beef, I ground it myself, but if you cannot ground it, get your own beef from the store. There is grounded beef in the store. So you go there, you get it. But if you can't get from the store, you can blend it yourself, okay? So when you put it, stir it very well, then add water. So here we're mixing the cornstarch for thickening, for making our filling to be thick, okay, thickening the, oh my goodness, English. So yeah, whatever, mix it very well. Go ahead and pour it. You have to allow your beef to cook for like 20 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Then go ahead and pour in your chopped carrots and potatoes. Then after that, cover it for like 2 minutes. Go ahead and pour in your thickening. Your filling is ready. We are almost half done, okay? Keep watching. Have you liked this video? If you have not liked it, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and like this, because you're going to learn a lot from here. You can even start your own business with this, okay? So here we have the flour.
We have
So go
the,
ahead
this is the
and
12 cups of
watch all
all-purpose
the
flour,
video. Please
and here
like,
I
share,
have
and subscribe.
8 sticks of butter, and is equivalent to 2 cups, okay? 8 sticks of butter, okay? On salted, I'm using salted butter. Yeah, I prefer salted butter. Go ahead and add it. So you don't need to add salt again when you use salted butter, but if we did not use salted butter, you can go ahead and add pinch of salt to it, okay? So, and if you want, you can add baking powder. If you don't want, doesn't gonna change anything, okay? So I'm not adding any, but I'm not adding any what they call it, oh god, I'm not adding baking powder, no sugar, no salt, because I'm using salted butter, okay? So yeah, we're going to be mixing this, because that is the only thing you need for meat pie, for the meat pie batter. Oh god, it's not butter, dough meat pie dough. So we are going to be mixing this. I already washed my hands. My hands is clean. Go ahead to mix everything. We're going to crumble it, okay? You don't need sugar in the meat pie dough, okay? Nobody should tell you that you don't need sugar. Consistency is going to be like this, okay? See, if I squeeze it, I'm gonna put like this. I've not added water, okay? So now we're going to be adding 2 cups of water to it, okay? So this is 1 cup. You're going to make sure you spread it on every another cup. I'm not going to add everything again. I will just remain something like this, okay? So you know, so now you're going to combine it. Don't do it too much, okay? Don't stress it, like Don't do it. No, gently combine it. Gently. Okay. Yeah. If you work too much on it, it's going to be very hard. So you're not going to be able to work with it anymore. So this is how we're going to be pampering. You pamper it. Okay. You pamper to combine it. You pamper in space. We are done mixing it. Yeah. We have it. Have it here. So we're going to put it here and divide them. But this may divide that. So we're going to be cutting it into smaller parts. You cut it, you fold it together like this. You put aside. Let's cut another part. Together. Oops, this one cut himself. So I'm going to bind it together. Cut it, and you bind them together. Okay. So remember, this 12 cups is going to get you 2 dozen. That is 24 pieces, and you are still going to have like maybe extra 5 or extra 6. That is when you use this size of meat pie cutter or meat pie mold. Okay. So if you want to start, maybe you are a beginner. So if you're a beginner, you can start with maybe 6 cups of all-purpose flour. So yeah. So 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you will use four sticks of butter. Okay. Yes. If you want to make lesser, you want to, oh, okay, I want to try first time, you can start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then use 2 sticks of butter, and yeah, you get the same result. Okay, get the same result. Just follow the measurement. So this is it here. So now we're going to start doing it. Okay, I will carry you along. Okay, so here we have our fillings, one we made earlier. So, and here we have eggs. We need eggs. Okay, and here we have our and we'll be needing this one to use to take the egg. You first of all mix the egg together. Make sure they mix very well. Okay, then keep it. Now we're going to what's that? What's that? Yeah, so go ahead and use your spatula and flatten it. Okay, go ahead and flatten it. Have you liked this video? Tell me. Are you just still watching and you have not liked this video yet? Please go ahead and like this video, because with your likes and the algorithm will know that, oh my god, people love this video. Let's push it ahead. Let's push it. If you're watching on YouTube, like, subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook, like and follow. Comment as well. Okay, if you learned something from this video, go ahead and say thank you, ma'am. Then go ahead and put it here. Be using this to cut out the edges. If you don't have this, no problem, just use your hand and cut it off. I'm just trying to be, but this works faster. But if you don't have it, don't bother yourself. Don't go and waste extra dollar to get that. So this one, we're going to keep it aside because we'll be needing it again. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and scoop your filling, and I'm going to be putting it. Before you put it, make sure it's laying this way. You can be able to close it very well. Okay, yeah. Go ahead, then use some egg, and cover the edges so that it can hope you guys are hearing what I'm saying. I know I have a mic, I know, but I don't know if it's working or not. So yeah, go ahead and put egg at the edges and cover it. Press it hard. Use all your power. Press it hard and take off the edges. Keep it. You're still going to use it. Don't trash it. Okay, yeah, here we have it. Yeah, put it in.
So here I lost the clip I made for this particular video. So but fortunately for me, I have this clip I have made before on my previous video. So I that's why I attached. If you watch, you can see that I'm wearing pink cloth here. Okay, so all you have to do before you get to this stage, make sure you put your oven to 350 degree Celsius or Fahrenheit, then allow it to preheat and fully, then before you put it. So here you do butter. What I do is that first of all I do butter wash. After that I'll put it, after some minutes, maybe like about 20 minutes, I'll bring it out and do egg wash. So yeah, is it burning? Yeah. Oh, that is so oh my god. Okay, the other one is not ready, but this one is ready already. Guys, our meat pie is ready. It's ready. Let's open. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is so yummy. So hot. It's so hot. It's so yummy. So yummy. Just follow this procedure. I promise you will get it right. It's so delicious. Look at that. Zoom the camera. Oh yeah, cut the camera. Yeah. Cut the camera. Cut the camera.